Today I'm going to show you how I teach my customers to wash their hair at home using the unique Kérastase washing gesture. Let's brush your hair before washing to eliminate any product residues and air out the hair. You can start by wetting the hair. Then, using the bain recommended for you by your hairdresser, follow these 2 steps. Trust me, you'll notice the immediate difference in your hair. The first wash is dedicated to purifying the scalp. Pour a small amount of your bain in the palm of your hand. A coin-sized amount is more than enough. Apply the bain bit by bit on your scalp. First the front, then at the crown, and then the back of the head. Finish with a touch on either side. Emulsify by applying gentle pressure to the scalp. Rinse the hair thoroughly. For your second wash, we'll focus on the lengths of the hair. You can repeat the same touch-by-touch application. For shoulder length or longer hair, this is where you double your dose of bain. Emulsify, this time finishing the gesture by spreading along the lengths of your hair. Let's add a few drops of water and generously lather. Rinse thoroughly.